Hey, what you eating?
Banana bread.
What?
Banana bread.
Oh, dude, can you teach me how to make it?
Okay, sure. Look man, the recipe is super simple. Here's what you'll need. 3 bananas that are ripe. You'll need half of a measuring cup of sugar, 3 ounces of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You'll need 1 egg, 1.5 of measuring cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then a small pinch of salt. Before you start, you have to preheat your oven. You want to bring it to 350 Fahrenheit or about 175 Celsius. Let's do that. And now, with our first step, we're going to start mashing the bananas. You want to mash them so that they're like not chunky and like quite smooth. You can use a fork or a potato masher if you want. Anything that makes you happy. You can even squeeze them in your hands if you want. To our bananas, we're gonna add the butter. And then basically mix the rest of the ingredients in except for flour. So now our baking soda, our salt, our pinch of salt, our vanilla extract, you want to pre-beat your egg before you put it in, but this doesn't take much skill. Boom, boom, boom. Pour it in. And now just our sugar. Give this entire thing a mix. Like this thing is super easy, I told you. You're gonna get this liquidy thing. It's not supposed to be banana bread already. And now we're gonna start adding our flour. Don't add the whole thing at once, because you never know. Are you even listening?
Huh? Oh yeah, I'm listening.
Finish up the entire butter. Add the rest of the flour in. And now you want to take a container, like a plexiglass one, you know, with the high sides and stuff like that. And then we're just gonna dump the whole mixture in there. But before you do that, you wanna give it a quick wipe with oil. This is needed so that your bread doesn't stick. And now the mixture goes in. And now you chuck it into the oven. So we're gonna cook it for like 50 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Here you go, man. Only about 50 minutes in the oven and then it's done. But as usual, you want to stick a toothpick or something in to make sure that the dough is cooked all the way through. Mine is. So now we're just gonna cut it up and put it on the plate. You know, you can plate it now. And there it is. Super easy making it. Anybody can repeat this recipe. Very easy, very not fast, but I mean, it's baking, right? It takes time. So man, there you go. Enjoy.